clinical documentation is one of the most important areas of dentistry today. We can use the material for giving lectures, to explain to our patient every detail of our treatments, to self-evaluate our work. Having this on mind, it's important to have the possibility to document our daily clinical practice in an easy way. With the Promise Vision 3D surgical scope, it becomes very easy. You just need this small remote control and you will be able to take steady pictures, to start recording high definition videos, to stop the recording, and then to do the playback in a big screen. It is very easy. We will have the chance to show live to our patient in 3D the procedure that we are about to perform and the procedure that we are performing, and we will also have the chance to document everything and use the material for any purpose. This is another advantage of the Promise Vision 3D surgical scope.